Hey creative minds! Today we're bringing some angry birds to life, sandwich style. Just a few ingredients and a lot of imagination. Let's get started and build some tasty troublemakers. To make our first bird, Terence, the big boss, I used a couple types of ham. I grabbed a slice of toast cheese, you know, the square kind, and cut it with a pizza cutter. Super handy for round shapes. Do you like olives? Honestly, I never really learned to love them, but for this guy, they're perfect. Time to build our fearless leader. I used a lovely round pita for the base. It fits perfectly for these birds. Look at that glorious beak. What a nose. A bit of cooked egg white for the eyes. And I'm not telling you where the yolks went. And those bold olive brows really seal the deal. These tiny pupils are cut from an olive. Took a bit of skill to place them just right. That proud, slightly grumpy face, love it. I also cut this bird's feathers from olives, but there's another way. I'll share that later. And with just a few final details, what a delightfully angry bird! Now say hello to Chuck. Fast, fierce, and fabulous. He's got that bright yellow color, so I went all out and used 3 types of cheese, because why not? Chuck deserves only the best. This time, I grabbed a slice of toast bread and carefully cut out the shape I wanted. Rounded, a little pointy, just like Chuck himself. To make those cool feathers and that awesome tail, I used a sheet of nori and a pair of regular kitchen scissors. Just a warning, nori sticks to everything, including your fingers, so be ready for a tiny chase. Now let's put this guy together. First up, some soft egg white to make that cute little belly. Then, layer after layer of cheese. Cheese, 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 and yep, even more cheese I found in the fridge. I really love cheese. I mean, really. The eyes are made from egg white too. Let's tweak this part a little bit. Doesn't always land right the first time, but hey, that's part of the fun. Ooh, those dramatic brows, that's what makes our birds really angry. A few feathered details to finish the look, and just like that, Chuck's ready for battle. Next up in our anti-pig squad, meet Hal. He's green, he's grumpy, and that beak, it's legendary. To make those leafy green feathers, I used cucumber and sliced it up with a veggie peeler, skin on for extra color. I laid a pita on top and trimmed everything down so the pieces fit together just right, like a little sandwich puzzle. A few more steps and we're ready to bring our green guy to life. Pita, egg white, and cucumber, it's all super simple. Everything's lining up perfectly. Just look at this masterpiece. With a beak like that, he could probably pick snacks from across the room. We already know the drill for those eyes. Egg whites, black olives, and of course, those angry brows for maximum bird drama. And just like that, Hal is cleared for takeoff. My name is Legion, for we are many. Oh wait, not a legion, it's Bubbles! This round, bouncy fellow is one of the funniest members of the bird squad. He might look like he's just here for snacks, but trust me, when the time comes, Bubbles pops off, literally. I had to spend a little extra time crafting this one. All those tiny cheesy details take some patience.
Every new bird is like its own little personality on a plate.
Pita and cheese? We're already familiar with the basics of Angry Birds sandwiches.
That big pointy beak? It means business. Watch out, piggies. He's ready to peck. Although, to be honest, I think he looks more like a happy little troublemaker than a threat.
Look at these cutie eyes.
To build him just right, I used a mix of cheese for different parts of the face and nori for the feathers, eyebrows, and little extra touches. The cheese was being a bit dramatic, sliding all over the place like it had other plans. And just like that, our bubbly bird is ready for action.
Here she is, the lovely Matilda. Making her took a bit of effort, but totally worth it. First, I separated 2 eggs. Whites and yolks went their separate ways. I don't know why, but I really enjoy this process. It's kind of meditative. Then, I sent them off one by one to catch some sun rays. Just kidding, straight to the frying pan. Once those sunny little pieces were cooked just right, I got to work cutting them out. Seriously, guys, this round knife is a total lifesaver. And let's go. The bread? I just shaped the bread with regular scissors. Sometimes simple tools do the trick. Then the white goes on top, followed by cheese, because what's an angry bird without some cheesy flair? Now, placing all the tiny details in their spots takes a bit of practice and patience. Ta-da! This time, the beak is made from the bright golden egg yolk. Perfect! And the nori, oh, that nori, the drama queen of the ingredients, always trying to slip away and hide. Just a few tiny details left, and they're the game changers. Finally, our fierce warrior lady is ready to face her main rival. But wait, where is he? Stay tuned for part 2, where the ultimate Angry Birds showdown happens. Subscribe, and let's create more of these fun, creative tales together.